Today, we'll be doing some really cute DIY crafts that you can have around the house, and I think it's going to be really adorable with all the kawaii decorations on them. So let's get started. So the first DIY is a really cute mini tote that you can store erasers, marbles, a whole bunch of fun stuff inside. So let's get started. Now your DIY mini bag is completed. The next DIY is going to be some clay foods, so let's get started. So now that you have finished your kawaii toasts, they are ready to go into the oven. So let's get going. So here are the charms after being baked in a 250 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 5 minutes. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you hadn't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel below. Thank you!